Hello everyone, I'm Kaan. Today I'm going to present you how to create a simple programming language with using Flex and Python tools. How to make a programming language. Shortly, a programming language is just a set of predefined rules. And to make them useful, you need something that understands those rules. So we can simply define some rules, then to make it work, we can use any existing programming language. Caltr, it's my own programming language. The purpose of Caltr, it's enabled to perform mathematical operations like multiplication, division, addition, as well as remainder and exponential. And its name Caltr because call from the calculator and the TR section, Turkish abbreviation. How to Flex and Python works together. Python reads the grammar description in calc.y and generates syntax analyzer that includes in file calc.c and file calc.y are token declarations. Python to generate definition for tokens y top c y top h, and Flex reads the pattern description in calc.l includes y top h and generates lex y by c. Finally, the lexical analyzer and parser are compiled and linked together to create executable program exe. Flex. The tokenizer reads an input file and chunks into a series of tokens, which are passed to parser. Flex uses a .l spec file to generate a tokenizer. Python, the parser reads a series of tokens, and Python uses a .y spec file to generate a parser. .l file, and this is my lecture code, and I wrote the Flex and Flex code in Turkish because I learned that we can do this in any language, and I wanted to be to Turkish resource. And this is tokens, and this is tokens, and boşluk means that ignore white spaces, and text sayı 0 to 9, match one or more characters between 0 to 9, and yel elvel etof means that store the number in the text, and return artı means that return the token type, artı means that plus, declare it in the .a file, which is the Python file. .a file. This is a parse syntactic analysis, and this is tokens declaration of tokens, token type name like sayı means that number, and artı means that plus, like that, and left artı eksi or left plus minus, this is operator precedence and associativity. And Python rules, and this is grammar for Python. It should look similar to simple example, sorry, and ifade means that expression, and this is simply says that an expression is a number or name. Expression ifade artı ifade means that expression plus expression, and the numbers in the executable statement correspond to the tokens listed in the production. And main. How it works? Okay, I'm going to show how it works. Caltr Excel. And 3 plus 4 multiply by 5, and result is 24 and 23, sorry, 3 over 4, result is 81, and 14 modulo 3, result is 2, and error section. In the error section, there is no syntax error message displayed in Caltr. Instead of when you enter an incorrect entry, the program terminates directly and you cannot do the wrong operation. I will do this right now as an example. A plus E and directly terminate. Show it. I will do a second example. 2 plus 4, result 6, and when we type R minus T, the program terminates. It means you are not allowed to write a letter or letter plus letter. This is not allowed, and this is the end of my presentation. Thank you all. See you.